Hey, I'm gonna do a bike check for my friend. He has ODI bar ends, purple ODI grips. He's got Eastern Wonder Year bars, a fit stem, fit bolts, fit head cap, with a looks like a I don't know headset. We'll just call it fit. He's got stock fit forks, stock fit tires, Eastern rims with Eastern hubs. He's got a fit frame with a premium seat, Odyssey PC twisted pedals with fit cranks, KNC chain, a fit 25-2 sprocket, fit back tire, Eastern wheel laced to Eastern hub, same deal. And he has a built-in seat clamp with a Shadow Conspiracy gold seat post, and that's basically what he's riding right now. It's pretty chill and laid back. That's his bike.